Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression. If you are a genius then stop the video and before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of fraction question that how we can simplify this, then follow my method. I can solve these questions step by step. But if you have new in my channel then kindly subscribe my channel for more this type of math question. So 8 divided by 2 I can write here parentheses 8 divided by 2 divided by parentheses 2 divided by 8. Okay, I can write these in this form. Now 8 divided by 2 which is equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 8. Okay guys, now in next step I can solve this as 4 divided by 2 divided by 8. I can write it as 2 divided by 8. Here 2 and 8 cancel with each other, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8, and it can be equal to 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Now, according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip, I can write it as 4 times 1 upon 4. Okay, now here I can write it as sorry here 4 times 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 which is equal to 16. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more this type of math question. Thanks a lot.